Hey folks, guess what? Let me back up here. Where's it? What in the world is that? Oh, okay, it's called a Wildfire, total electric car. Hey, go stand in front of the door so they can see how small the car is.
They can see how small.
Oh, they can see how small the car is, but we both said the photos that I seen online, it looked bigger. Folks, this is a two-seater with a small storage compartment in the back. Here's how small it is. Yeah, it's old school, 2009. Okay, you can called a Wildfire, and well, it's really dirty, and I mean really dirty. Speedometer on it is up to 50 miles an hour. It is a low speed electric vehicle. But they're supposed to be able to do 50 miles an hour, which is fine for local commute. Yes, it is in rough condition, but not only can I build batteries, upgrade my bike. Oh boy, I can also do body work and painting. So this thing is going to get an upgrade. It's not wrecked. It's all in one piece. The floor is not rotted out, so it's solid. Just needs a few tucks and tending to and places here and there. Passenger side door doesn't quite want to close all the way. Well, that's fine. Just realign it. The tail lights are in it, but they're not bolted up. So that'll have to be fixed. Yep, but anyway. Now, I haven't bought it yet, but I'm going to. Today is election day, and the clerk's office is not open. So there's the overall view, and I open up the passenger side door. Now, I guess, well, nope, can't do that. Back tailgate needs hinges. I could probably talk to a welder and have some hinges put on that gate so it'll actually latch and I can fold it up for the cargo space. But here's the back space. It's not very much. But in my world, doing Dell warranty repair work, that's just big enough. Oh, what else? Headliner, surprisingly, is still in one piece, and well, it's up there. There's no batteries in it whatsoever. I did find a single recycled Ford battery that's 5 amp hour that could get this thing going for about 3 miles. But that will give me an idea of what's up. Both back tires are flat. Both front tires are holding air. So, leave a message down in the comments and let me see what you might think. Have a good one.